Welcome to Earn Money. Let's learn how to create Amazon Associates account or Amazon Affiliate account. Type
To create Amazon affiliate account.
Click here. Or go to Amazon.com. Scroll down. Make money with us. Become an affiliate.
Will be redirected to sign up page.
Complete 3 steps. Sign up as an affiliate. Recommend Amazon products. Earn commission up to 10%. Sign up. Sign in with your Amazon account to make your previous Amazon account eligible for affiliate marketing. You will be redirected to account information page. Add.
You need to fill your account information.
As I already have an account, it's showing my details here. I will redo it for you guys. Payee name. Mention the exact name which should appear on your payment check. Fill your address. City. State. And PIN code, or postal code. Country. Phone number. I will go with my previously mentioned informations. Next. If you have any website or mobile app where you do affiliate marketing, you can mention here, or you can skip this. I will copy my YouTube channel link and paste it on web page. Add. Next. It's not eligible to use web page or mobile app directed to children's under age 13. No. And confirm. Here, you need to select a store name. Store name should not have any special characters or numbers, or space in between words. Here you can see your website list. I say here as affiliate marketing. Pick a topic which best describes your website. Type of items you intend to list on your website. What type is your website? Select how do you drive traffic to your website. How you generate income to your website. How many visitors visits your website per month. Reason for joining Amazon affiliate program. How did you hear about this program? Fill the letters in the box here. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Finish. You have successfully created your Amazon Associates account or affiliate account. You need to do qualified sales before 180 days. If not, your account will be withdrawn. You need to fill your payment and tax information. I will create another video on filling payments and tax information. Click later. Here you can see your earnings and overview reports. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, type it on the comment box.
You can sign up to Amazon affiliate program by clicking the link in the description below.